Hello folks, welcome to the online video walkthrough of the 2019 PTX 160BH. So you can see here it's got a beautiful aerodynamic rounded front with fiberglass on the outside, fully laminated walls, so it makes the coach very, very light. It is 7.5 feet wide, so it feels really wide on the interior. You have an electric awning with LED lights built into it, as well as illuminated speakers on the outside. We'll go inside and have a look. Here you can see you've got your bed, which is a queen size bed for mom and dad to sleep in, and then over here you've got storage above the bed with a nice large shelf. Above the dinette you've got some storage cabinets there where you can put all of your goodies, and then you've got a nice wide dinette. Because the trailer is 7.5 feet wide, the dinette actually is big enough to seat 4 people. Then you can see here hidden in the back you've got the 2 little bunk beds with a window and a skylight, so it makes it very, very bright and feel very, very spacious inside that bunk area. You can see here in the back washroom you've got a nice tub area and lots of room around the toilet, and all LED lighting as well to make it nice and bright. The trailer does come equipped with the 6.5 cube gas electric fridge, so you do have a freezer and a fridge, lots of countertop space, 2 burner cooktop stove, Furrion soundbar, skylights in the roof, and the whole trailer only weighs 2,800 pounds, so it's easily towable by a minivan. So folks, this is the last one I have, the 2019 PTX 160BH, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, so why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.